So usually after you gather enough information about your target, then you are ready to carry out the attack that you want to do. So in this section, the spying section, and in the next section, the exploitation, we're gonna talk about how you can actually launch attacks to achieve your goal. Now, in the spying section, we're gonna be talking about attacks that allow us to get usernames, passwords, chat messages, any type of sensitive information that might be useful to you. We're going to talk about three main methods to become the man in the middle. As you can see, we have three big circles. Each one of them represent a different way of becoming the man in the middle. Now, what I mean by becoming the man in the middle is being in the middle of the connection between your target and the source of the requests. So in most of the cases is the server. So when you are the man in the middle, all the requests and the responses going to and from the target machine will be going through your device. So any request to any website, any username, any password, any chat message, anything a target person does will be sent to your device, then to the internet, and when it comes back, it comes to your device, then to the target person. Now, as I said, we're going to be talking about three different methods to achieve that, and why that device starts treating you as a man in the middle is different depending on the method. Once you're the man in the middle, you can read usernames, you can read passwords, so you can read all kind of packets. You can also intercept these packets, so you can modify them. So for example, if a person is downloading a file, you can get him to download a different file without them even knowing. If they request facebook.com, you can take them somewhere else with a fake Facebook login. You won't need to do that because you're going to be able to get the usernames and passwords anyway. You'll be able to sniff cookies, you'll be able to sniff passwords, usernames, URLs, images, anything that goes through the target person and between you. After you are the man in the middle, we're going to talk about different attacks in different scenarios. So you can mix and match these attacks. So for example, if I spoke about a few attacks that you can do using the bad USB method, you can actually do them when you're ARP poisoning. So the method of becoming the man in the middle is irrelevant. So these small circles represent the attacks that you can do after becoming the man in the middle, and you can do them regardless of the method that you use to achieve becoming the man in the middle. Also, with this section, some of the attacks that we're going to learn in this section, we're actually going to carry them out in the next section into bigger scenarios to show you how we can gain full access to computers using different methods.